Hello, so welcome back sa ating math class. So for today, another topic or lesson ang pag-aaralan natin in the statistics. So I hope na mag-enjoy kayo at marami kayong matutunan sa ating pag-aaralan sa araw na ito. So for today, let us discuss the measures of variability. So pag-aaralan natin kung gaano nga bang kalawak yung data o gaanong kakipot o kakonte o gaanong kalapit sa isa't isa yung mga quantitative data natin. Now let us talk about the measures of variability. What is measures of variability? It is the amount of dispersion of set of scores or measures. The following are the measures of variability. We have the range, mean or average deviation, variance, standard deviation. So magpapakita ko sa inyo dito ng isang graph kung saan kapag ka magkalayo ang pagitan ng ating pong data, makikita natin na ang kanyang line graph ay mababa lang ang height. Pero habang magkalapit ang pagitan ng lower to higher data natin, magkakaroon tayo ng mataas na height ng line graph. So, ibig sabihin po, yung ating pong lower value sa higher value, kapag magkalapit lang sila, we can produce a short but steep line graph in our table. Now, let's talk about range. So, ano nga po ba ang range? The range is the difference between the highest score and the lowest score. Sa makatwid, yung pinakamataas na score natin at yung pinaka-lowest score natin, yun po yung kanilang pagitan. Para mas lalo natin maunawaan, the formula of range is R equals H minus L, where R is the range, H is the highest value, and L is the lowest value. So para makuha natin ang range, we need to subtract the highest value to the lowest value. Another measures of variability is the mean or the average deviation. So when we say mean or average deviation, it is the average of the absolute values of the deviation of scores from the mean score. Para mas makita po natin kung anong ibig sabihin nito, let us see the formula. So we have MD equals the summation of the absolute value of the difference of x minus the mean divided by n, where MD stands for the mean deviation, and the summation of the absolute value of x minus mean is the sum of the absolute value of the difference between the individual score and the mean. So mamaya po, makikita po natin itong summation of the absolute value of x minus mean doon sa table na gagawin natin. And then, n is the number of score. Kung saan, ilan ba yung ating score or yung ating data. The next measures of variability is the variance. So what is variance? When we say variance, it is the measurement of how far a set of numbers is spread out from their average value. Gaano nga bang kalayo ang pagitan ng mga set of numbers mula dun sa kanilang average value. So for the formula, we have s squared equals summation of x minus mean squared divided by the difference of n and 1, where s squared is the variance. The summation of the square of x minus the mean is the square of the sum of the difference between the individual score and the mean, and the n is the number of scores. The next measures of variability is the standard deviation. So what is the standard deviation? Standard deviation is the measure of dispersion of a set of data from its mean. So gaano nga bang kumalat yung ating set of data mula doon sa ating mean. So madali lang ang kanyang formula. All you need to do is to square the variance or the s squared, where s is the standard deviation and the s squared is the variance na mamaya kukunin natin. So I will give you an example problem para mas lalo na natin maunawaan kung paano nga ba kinukuha yung mga measures of variability. So our example problem, find the variability of the hours worked in 1 week by 10 construction workers. So we have the following ungrouped data, 46, 50, 37, 42, 40, 30, 36, 35, 45, and 29. So let's make a table kung saan mas maganda sana kung yung atin pong data ay naka-arrange na from ascending order or pwede naman descending order. So for the meantime, I arrange it by ascending order. So we have 29, 30, 35, 36, 37, 40, 42, 45, 46, and 50. Now, ang una natin gagawin ay hanapin natin ang mean ng ating data. So para mahanap natin ang mean, we must add all the data from 29 to 50 and then divide it by 10 since meron tayong 10 data or 10 construction workers na nakalagay dito. So let's find the summation of x. So summation of x divided by 10, magkakaroon tayo ng sagot na 39. So our mean is 39. Ngayon, ang susunod nating column na isasagutan ay isusubtract natin yung x sa mean. So, x minus mean. So, ito yung x natin, 29, minus yung mean, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 10 na sagot. 30 minus 39 is negative 9. 35 minus 39 is negative 4. 36 minus 39 is negative 3. 37 minus 39 is negative 2. 40 minus 39 is 1. 42 minus 39 is 3. 45 minus 39 is 6. 46 minus 39 is 7. And 50 minus 39 is 11. So, nakuha na natin o na-fill na natin yung second column. Ngayon, punta naman tayo dito sa third column. Madali lang ang gagawin natin sa third column. So, kung makikita lang natin, hahanapin lang natin yung absolute value ng sinagutan natin kanina o yung nasa column 2. Alamin lang natin ang absolute value nila. So, in short, gagawin lang natin silang positive numbers. So, gawin natin lahat silang positive numbers. And then, after nating makuha ang absolute value ng x minus mean, i-add na natin or hahanapin natin yung total ng absolute value ng x minus the mean. So, let us find the summation of x minus mean. So, kapag inad natin lahat, makakakuha tayo ng total of 56. Ang susunod naman natin gagawin sa ating fourth column, ang gagawin po natin ay i-square natin yung mga sagot natin dito sa third column. So, let us find the square of the third column. So, 10 times 10, we have 100. 9 times 9 is 81. 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. And 11 times 11 is 121. So, nakompleto na natin yung fourth column natin. Ang gagawin naman natin sa fourth column natin ay hahanapin din natin ang summation or ang total value ng x minus mean squared. So, ang ating summation of x minus mean squared is 426. Ngayon, hanapin na natin ngayon ang range. Since tapos na natin makumpleto yung ating table, pwede na tayong mag-perform ng ating mga formulas na natutunan natin kanina. So, for our range, ito po yung ating formula kanina, R equals H minus L, where R is the range, H is the highest value, and L is the lowest value. So, yung highest value natin ay yung 50. Yan po yung pinakamataas na value ng score natin. Habang yung ating lowest value naman ay yung 29. So, since alam na natin yung highest and lowest value natin, let us perform the formula. So, we have R equals 50 minus 29. Our range is 21. Next, let us find the mean deviation. So, for our mean deviation, we have MD equals the summation of the absolute value of the difference of x and mean divided by n. So, yung atin pong summation of the absolute value x minus mean ay makikita po natin dito sa ilalim ng ating absolute value. So, ito po yung ginawa natin kanina. At yung n naman po natin ay makikita po natin sa problem which is 10. Or, para hindi po kayo malito, dahil 10 po kasi ang ating data. Ayan, 10 po yung x natin. Kaya, dun po nakuha yung n or number of scores. Now, let us substitute our given numbers. So, MD equals 56 divided by 10. So, 56 divided by 10 is 5.6. So, our mean deviation of our data is 5.6. The next one is the variance. Paano naman natin hinahanap ang variance? So, for our variance, let us divide the summation of difference of x and mean squared to n minus 1. So, ano nga ba yung summation of the square of x minus the mean? So, dito po natin yan makikita sa baba ng ating fourth column. Yung n natin na sinabi natin kanina, which is 10, since meron tayong 10 na data, so yung n natin ay 10 minus 1. Now, let us perform the formula. So, we have 426 divided by 10 minus 1. Okay, so 426 divided by 10 minus 1, we have 426 divided by 9. Our final answer is 47.33. The last one is the standard deviation. So for our standard deviation, naalala pa ba natin kung ano yung ating variance kanina? So ang ating variance kanina ay 47.33. So, para mahanap natin ang standard deviation, i-square root lang natin yung 47.33. So, para ma-perform nyo yan, kailangan nyo ng scientific calculator para makuha ninyo yung sagot. So, the square root of 47.33 is 6.88. Ayan, so tapos na tayo sa pag-compute ng mga measures of variability. So, I hope na nakatulong ang ating maikling lesson sa mathematics na ito. Hanggang sa muli, thank you very much for watching my video.